Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to another tutorial. And today we're learning how to create a WeChat account. First of all, open up your WeChat app, select sign up. Here you can sign up using Facebook or your mobile phone. Now fill up your details and press accept and continue. Perform human verification and verify your number. Once you've done that, tick the options and press done. And there you have it. That is how you create a WeChat account. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next tutorial.